Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Shruti. I'm Shruti, and today is all about Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. So whether you're a complete beginner to yoga or if you're a seasoned yogi, this is a great practice to add to your daily routine. Surya Namaskar has so many benefits, from strengthening your back to helping regulate your metabolism, which helps with weight loss, to massaging and toning and strengthening all the joints, muscles, and internal organs of the body. Now, when we combine these actual physical asanas with proper breathing technique, it helps create a deeper mind-body connection. It helps you move in a more slow and controlled manner with more awareness, and really helps calm your mind. I've added all the benefits of Surya Namaskar in detail in the description below, so be sure to check that out after. But first, I'm going to demonstrate Surya Namaskar for you so you can see what that looks like. So just sit back and relax and observe for a second, and then get ready to hop on your mat and do the Surya Namaskar with me. And I'll walk you through every single asana step by step with the proper form and alignment and the proper breathing technique so you can practice this on your own. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what Surya Namaskar looks like. So that was one full round of Surya Namaskar. So now get ready, hop on your mat, and we're going to walk through this entire series step by step. So come to the top of your mat, bring your feet together. Your tailbone's tucked in, so squeeze your glutes and sort of slick your belly in so your tailbone's tucked in. Roll your shoulders back and your arms by your side and engaged. And take a deep breath here and align yourself to your practice. Bring awareness to your breath. On your next inhale, raise your arms over your head, join your palms together, and bring your palms down by your heart center. And take a deep breath. On your next inhale, raise your arms over your head and look back and lean back. Now, notice we're not, moving from our hips. We're not doing this. Your body sort of stays aligned and stays neutral. We're leaning from our upper backs. Your tailbone is still tucked in, and we're leaning from the upper back. And our neck is also not drooping. Okay, so your neck, you're maintaining that natural curve your spine has, right? So we're here and not here. We're not doing that. Okay. Your next exhale, go ahead and bring your hands down by your feet and touch the ground. And if you can't touch the ground all the way, you can grab onto your calves, your ankles. You can use a block for support if you need it. If you don't have a block, don't worry about it. And then on your next inhale, slow and controlled, bring your right leg back. Ashvasanchalanasana. So you can stay here, with your palms next to your left foot on the ground. Or you can come up and support yourself on your fingertips and sort of arch your spine back. Now again, every time in yoga, this is just one of the basic rules. When we're arching back or aligning, you want to make sure that you're maintaining that natural curve of your spine. So we're not doing this, okay? I'm looking up like this. So lengthen from that spine and look up. And then, now this is hard to do, but when you're doing this, because we're taking this so slow right now, but when you're actually doing this as a flow, you hold your breath in this, once you do Ashvasanchalanasana, you hold your breath and move into the plank position. Now all of your muscles are engaged here, your arms, your core, your legs, and your next exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, come down to your knees, your chest, and your chin. And your next inhale, roll forward, cobra pose, Bhujangasana. So make sure you're not peeling yourself all the way. You're only going up until your belly button. And then the next exhale, Parvatasana. Bring yourself up, push yourself up from your mat, and roll your shoulders out. So what does that mean? What does rolling my shoulder out mean? So if you watch my arm for a second, when you rotate your elbow out, that rolls your shoulders out. So I'm not squeezing my shoulder blades here. my shoulders are actually rolled out to the side, and try and bring your chest close to the ground. Your feet are together. On the next inhale, bring your right leg back to Asana. Next exhale, bring the left leg to meet the right leg. And inhale back up, bending from your upper back. Exhale, forward fold again. So that was half a round. We did that on the right leg. The next thing we're gonna do the exact same thing, but we're gonna lead with our left leg, okay? So we're back in our forward fold. Inhale and bring your left leg back, Asana. Your hips are square. Now it is okay in this position for your knee to go over your ankle a little bit and arch that back. Holding your breath into plank position. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, slow and controlled. You should feel that squeeze in your shoulder blades here, okay? And inhale, roll up into Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana, peeling up to your belly button. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now some of you might be like, well, this looks awfully close to, this is downward dog. You may have heard this be called downward dog. But in classical hatha yoga Sun Salutation, this is mountain or Parvatasana. And there is a difference between a down dog and Parvatasana, but we'll just talk about Parvatasana here. So your shoulders are rolled out, your feet are together, and you're pushing your chest closer to ground. And on the next inhale, bring your left leg forward. Exhale, your right leg forward. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, join your palms together and bring back to your heart center. And that's one complete round of Surya Namaskara. So you guys, there you have it. So good for you. Now, if you're a complete beginner, I recommend start with 2 or 3 complete rounds every morning and see how you feel. When you do the first round, take it easy, take it slow, make sure you're moving in a controlled manner with your breath. And then as you get better at it, every week, add 1 more round to your practice. If you're a seasoned yogi, if you've done yoga before, this is sort of, you kind of know what you're doing, then start with 12 rounds every morning. So 12 rounds of Surya Namaskara every morning. This is such a good full body exercise. And see how you feel, just even do it for an entire week straight and just see how you feel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Namaste.